Welcome to today's episode, guys. Today we're gonna be working on the Gallardo. So I got the axle because the car is making a weird noise when you're driving it, and you like turn the wheel to the right or left. I think it was, what is it? It's left. So when you turn the wheel to the left, the car starts making like a clicking noise on the back, and it barely wants to go. So it's like jumping and stuff. So that's the issue I'm having. And I came to a conclusion that it was a bad axle because the axle has a slightly play on it. And, that's a sign of bad axle. So, we'll find out today if it is a bad axle. So we just got a brand new axle from Lamborghini. So we're going to put that on. And see if it fixes our issue. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get it. First, we're gonna have to raise the car up. I got an engine for the G37 too. A couple engines here. But the important thing about today's video is this axle. We gotta replace it. So let's get that. Start putting the car up in the air. Let's get it. Alright, so with the vehicle up in the air, now we have to remove the wheel and check out things to see how we're gonna remove the axle. So let's get it. There you go, guys. So now we gotta figure out how to get this thing out. I'm thinking probably have to remove this bottom control arm, slide it down, and then try to push it up maybe. Let's see. I think that'll be the way maybe. Let's get it. All right, so we got the bolt out of here, and the axle is free. Now you can actually pull it, and it's free. So now we got to figure out how to get it out of there. But first, I'm gonna try to get those bolts out of the axle there. I think it's 8 bolts, 2, 4. Oh, there's 6 bolts. Let's get it. All right, guys. So I got all the bolts out of there, as you can see, from both sides, and the little bracket thingies that come with it. So that's so far what we have taken off, 7 bolts. So now the next step is trying to get the axle out of there. So let's do that next, and I'll explain to you how I got it done. Let's get it. Ready? Axle's out of there. All I did was remove that long bolt that goes across, that long back. So, and this thing just lifted up really easy, up like that, and the axle came right out beautifully. So this is probably like an hour job, I'll say. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we installed the bolts in there. Everything's flush, looks good. So tying up the bolt up here, torqued it down. Now we just gotta take it for a ride and see if we fix the noise. So I also put a spacer on here, and I think that would have been my noise too, but not sure. So we're gonna drive it and see what's going on. So let's get it. Guys, so I put the axle back on, everything's tying up. Now we're gonna go for a ride and see if it took care of that noise that we were hearing. And if it's still there, then you guys are gonna hear it. So let's get it. Oh, someone was in here. I wonder who it was. Rima?
Probably.
Oh yeah. Gotta love that beeping noise. Actually gonna check out if the AC works. Let's see. I want it cold. Low, what's that? That's the fan. That's pretty cold. Where's the AC button at? Oh. There you go. Okay, so that's just to,
Yeah, switch.
you know, switch it from that. What's that? I don't know what that is. Auto, low, fan. How you, Alright, let's go for a ride. That plunking noise. Barely probably hear it over the beeping noise. We're backing up. Ready?
Yeah,
Hear that?
can hear. Yeah, you could like. It's like loud. The easy pass.
Easy pass though.
Yeah. It's up right there.
There you go, made it better there. Alright guys, so we made the noise again. The axle didn't fix the problem. Just spent a couple $100 on that, but it's alright. We got a brand new axle. We learned, and you guys learned too. So, thank you guys for watching. Tell them to like, subscribe, bro.
Like and subscribe.
Sorry about the hair. But yeah.